Hi there, this is Melinda, sending you a little video message here from, I'm in the middle of a move, so sorry for the mess. However, that doesn't stop me from keep on being helpful for startup founders. I have something super exciting to share with you today, especially if you have just launched your beta product. So you maybe got your first 3 users or your first 300 users. It doesn't matter. What's really important is that you need to know what these users are doing inside of your product. You need to know if they're using it or not as you planned. And this is super important to know if you have product market fit, and also to figure out how to keep on building your product so that users really get hooked. And for this, you need metrics, and you need to track users to you so you can get those metrics. So that's why I have created a guide called Build Better Product with the right metrics. And I really want to share it with you so that you can know which metrics to track and how to track your users to get those metrics. And so to get it, the guide, just put a little comment below and add me here on LinkedIn, and I'll send you a message so you get the guide. So I'll see you around. Talk soon. Bye.